Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know how you doing. Leave it down in the comments. I want to know. I have got my May 2021 TestTube Beauty Box. This is a bi-monthly subscription, and I will put the price right here on the screen. It does come every other month, and we do get a majority of skincare products. However, there is sometimes a mixture of hair care, makeup, and stuff like that. I think this box has actually got a collagen supplement in it too, from some of the peaks I think I saw. I don't know, we'll see. But we're going to dive right in because we do actually usually get a whole bunch of things in here. So this is going to take a minute. Not too bad though. So we get this little card, and this is actually really cool. The fact that they're celebrating 15 years. A lot of like sub boxes have not been around that long. Another thing they're doing is you've got to scan this QR code to get the list of all the items in your box, which I did not do before I opened the box with you. So I will pop the prices of everything on the screen as I go through them. Now, usually everything we get is scattered inside the box. And of course, we also get an actual test tube, which is really cool. That has got other products inside, whatever they could fit. Okay, yeah, look at it. It's like full. I do save these tubes because I use them for when I wash my brushes. They're perfect for drying my brushes. Okay, so the first thing we got is not inside the tube, and sure enough, it does. It looks like, yes, it's a pure collagen supplement. I've actually just started using collagen as a supplement, and it is not cheap. No. I do have a video. I will link it up here. A company sent me some collagen to try, and I've actually been loving it. They also sent me an extra one to give away to you guys. So we already did that last month, and it was awesome. So I am really enjoying the collagen supplement, and I'm definitely happy to try another one. This one, it says Unflavored Collagen Peptides by Dose and Company. So yeah, super excited to get that. Next, we've got by David's Premium Natural Toothpaste. Okay. Whitening and anti-plaque and fresh breath. That looks really cool. Have I heard of this brand before? Especially for toothpaste. I don't know. Oh, but you know, my son got something like this in one of his men's subscriptions, and he actually just thinks it's the coolest thing. Look, it comes with a toothpaste key, which these are so cool. You just roll your toothpaste up so you get every last bit of it. And yeah, so it does. It comes in like this neat aluminum container. And you slip the key on the end here and just twist it up as you go. So yeah, I'm excited to try that. Okay. Next is from Daily Concepts, and this is an exfoliating dual texture scrubber. I do like this brand. I've gotten several items from them in the past, and they're affordable, but they're really, really good quality. I do like them a lot. The next thing is from Glow Skin, and it's their anti-stress CBD drops. I've actually gotten these before, and they're super duper pricey. So this says it is to calm and soothe, and it's got 1,000 milligrams of CBD, and it's an adaptogen calming serum. Next is from Hello. Okay, so this is a hand sanitizer spray. Always super cool getting these nowadays, and it's in lavender eucalyptus scent. And I do also really, really like this brand. I've gotten other stuff from them in the past. The next thing we've got this thing. It says it is a super hydrator, but all it says is, I don't know the company name, it just says beauty. So I'll put it down here and let you know when I look this up. But obviously it is a moisturizing serum. And then last but not least is from Floss, and it's a lip advocate. But it is a lightly tinted Lippie. That's what that looks like. Okay, so here's the packaging on it. And, oh wow, look at that color. That's actually really pretty. Especially, it says it's lightly tinted, so it's going to be very sheer, which is really nice. Cool. Okay, so that's everything in this month's test tube. I will put the total value of the box up here. What do you think? I do really, really like this subscription. I've been getting it almost 2 years now. And I use almost everything I get in this subscription. And I also like that it's every other month. Now, I will say I don't have a discount code for this box. I have reached out to the company in the past and requested one with no success. So, sorry about that. But that's it. Thank you guys, as always, for coming to hang out with me for just a little bit during another one of my unboxings. I do appreciate you so, so much. And, of course, I love you bunches. Mwah, mwah, mwah. If you haven't done so already, make sure you smash that subscribe button before you go, and the notification bell. Thank you again, and I will talk to y'all soon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.